What's up, guys? Today we are gonna play meownet. It's just a ripoff of Wreck Room, but it's like really old. It's nice being in here again. I'm 4 foot. Bro, I'm like 5'7". What are you on about? I'm not that short, guys. I promise. Oh, the old loading screen.
Welcome to Rec Room.
Wait, is this like actually
For your first
like
day, we have a quick orientation to show you what Rec Room is all about and give you a chance to get the hang of the controls. Head inside to get started.
Oh my god. Yes, I can play Rec Room again. But just the old bubbles thing. Yo, wait, they actually have like really fancy.
Rec Room is the best place
Also,
to meet up with your friends and play
like
games together. With a friendly and growing global community, you'll always have others to enjoy your time with, no matter what you love to do.
Why do I sound like a friend? Oh my god, I'm short.
Looking good.
You do look good. Thanks. Wait.
Almost everywhere you go in Rec Room,
I think
you'll
guys
see
already
people
know
playing games together. Don't worry if you're not too competitive. Games are a great way, even when the competition gets intense. The spirit of being excellent to each other is always front and center.
Paintball, the OG. I'm sending this, when I post this to YouTube, I'm sending this to my friend too.
All right, let's practice playing with some of the objects in the room.
Wait,
Give it a shot.
Guys, moment of truth.
How's your aim?
Oh, yes! Oh
Nice
my
shot.
god. Thank you.
Up and over.
Whoever made this shout out.
In Rec Room, you have free control of your hands. You can wave to others and even dance. Care to give it a go?
Like, bro, I'm not even the size of the mirror.
The last stop on the tour is all about our creative community. The Maker Pen is your gateway to creation.
So
For
nice.
some, this means creating beautiful 3D artwork. For others, it means building entire games of their own. So much of the amazing stuff you'll see in Rec Room is built by people just like you.
So
From artistic hangout space.
So it's worth... No way.
Congratulations.
Wait.
You finished orientation.
Give me my watch.
We have a special gift. As a brand new member, you get the keys to your... The door to the right leads to the campus dormitories. Let's check out your new dorm.
Okay, bet. The music. I forgot about the music. Yo.
Pretty nice, huh?
I know, it's really nice.
You can change your look here.
I'm
Decorate
so
with your Maker
short.
Pen. Or even invite your friends over.
Dude, I would
Before
be like
you
the
go,
size of this
we have
ladder.
one final
Not
gift
there,
for
but
you.
I'd be like right there.
Your very own Rec Room watch.
Wait, please tell me it works.
Think of your watch as your go-to place for all things in Rec Room. Everything from settings to messaging with friends to choosing what room to visit next. And that's it. With your watch, you're free to go anywhere you want to. Have fun.
Let's go.
And welcome to Rec Room.
Yeah. Let that be my profile. Yo, if you guys want me to do part 2 of this, like and subscribe. I missed the regular record. At least they brought back this one. Wait, they have the even old clothing thing. That's so cool. You think, Buckethead! Okay, bet. Yo, wait. Guys, I have aura. So I have the 19, whatever that freaking thing. Let's go to the rec thing. I want to see if people are like actually playing this freaking game. Because if they are, I'm about to tweak out. Okay, bro. One more freaking time if you do this. Let me take it off. Let it up. I want this in my head no more. None. Okay. We're in. Can I go? Yes, I agree. Got it. Oh, thank you, Wrecker, for bringing this back. I remember like having a freaking quest too, bro. Holy crap, that loading took so long. That took like a minute. That took like like this is amazing. I should probably turn off. Yo, it's been so long.
LeBron.
Oh my god. Yo, wait, hold on. I'm gonna film you. Film me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Prove yourself. Come on, prove it.
LeBron.
Prove it. Prove it. Come on, you got this.
Dang it. Where's the ball?
Why are the balls red?
I'm the goat. Dang it. I'm the goat. Dang it.
Dang it, I
No,
missed.
that's it, bro.
Should I guys hit? Guys, I'm gonna hit a basket. Ugh. I suck.
No.
Oh my god.
You monkey. You did it. You did it.
You monkey.
Wait.
Yo, guys, I'm gonna hit a dunk. Ready?
Dang
Oh, I
bro.
missed it.
Go.
I almost hit the dunk. You moved the bucket. You guys ready? Slam dunk. Hey.
Wait, how did you get up there?
Oh, get up there. You just get up there. You get up there and then jump over. Yo, it's been so long.
Wash your hands.
It's finally.
Hold on. Wash your hands. Come on.
I'll wash mine. I'll wash mine.
Yo, wash your hands, bro.
Mine. I haven't washed my
Yeah, me
hands in
too,
like
man.
7 years. Can I wash them?
Bro. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Hold on. Let me. You're the reason why everybody gave them hands a virus because you never wash your hands. No.
Listen, bro. Every time I go to school, I don't wash my hands. I just freaking leave the bathroom window.
Bro, you the reason why you gave him the hantavirus, bro. Because
Hey, that's kind of
touching rat dookie and all of them stuff, bro. You're gonna be the one who's that's it.
Listen, bro. I just don't think
Bro,
like you guys. I don't think like you.
You haven't washed your hands in 7 years. Learn about your hygiene, man.
Yes, I know.
This nigga is a loser. And he got my other account deleted too. Oh my god, I am using my wrong microphone. I can tell.
Yeah, I know.
Hold on, is that better?
Yeah. You're using the wrong one.
Yo, I'm like 5'7" in real life, bro. This is not accurate. Yo, bro. I'm like 5'7" in real life, bro. It says I'm 4 foot. Oh yeah, technically I'm sitting though, but
Oh my god.
I don't
It
like
does.
this.
Well, I would talk.
Well, sit
No,
down.
I'm not gonna talk to her.
Tell me about it.
Gotta work me. He's on
He doesn't
vacation.
even care.
Feel short, but I'm not.
Okay.
I'm 5'7".
He's just-
Alright, so why do you never wash your hands in 7 years?
Alright. Yeah, I'll see ya.
I don't know. I just don't feel like it.
So Chico, no, it wasn't. I guess like
You don't feel like
Hanks
it? It's
actually
important from your
flags it and
hygiene.
then
Touch your
deletes
face
it.
with your dirty
But if it was
hands.
deleted,
you get
wouldn't
sick
it
and
like
you
not
die.
show? Like you could see my account like right now.
Wait, no, I
Yeah, I was gonna
spelled.
say.
Wait, oh crap.
Yeah, I see it right here. It's just flagged
Yep,
and
you did
fucking.
spike
Matey
yourself.
literally texted me.
Yeah, I
Just
exposed
make the
myself
password not
because I'm
remembered.
recording
It's
right
not
now.
that. Nobody had
No,
access.
guys,
No, let's
please
go.
don't post
You
it.
doxed
Nobody,
it,
like,
no.
was gonna
No,
set
I
my
just
password.
exposed
Nobody ever
myself,
set my
no.
password. It's an unknown password. It's not even linked to me.
Oh my god, I can't believe
And
you
it still
literally
was
just
fucking.
doxed
It still
yourself.
was cracked somehow.
Like,
I
why
don't
would you
know
do
if
that,
you
bro?
just-
I don't
That's the
know.
most stupid thing.
I wasn't
I don't
thinking
know. I
right.
don't know
Come
how he
on,
got it.
man.
I don't know how he got the account password.
So, a lot of ways you go.
Did it?
Hey, Juggernaut.
Did it actually? I wasn't aware of that.
I will give you one chance
wasn't
to
aware of
not
that.
stick that at me again.
Pretty sure my-
Stop! Bro,
Mom just told my account to fucking Brody, dude. I guarantee it.
yo, who got
I'm
gifted?
friends
Oh.
with
13 and 17 is actually not.
Yo, who gift that? Who gift that? Who gift that?
That's so
I like LARPing.
Matey's
Ping.
a fucking retard, dude. Hold on.
Bro,
Open it, bro. Hey,
7 p.m. I was sleeping, by the way.
Oh, hey, Skull. Nah, I'm not coach. I can't
Because
I know you're not coach.
She was talking about it. He was
been
talking
so
about it.
long.
Dude, like, I don't even care. It's like, whatever. I'll just get the account.
This whole thing.
He's ugly.
Bro,
He's not the real coach.
Same here. Literally only on here because of community too. I don't really want
You idiot! Why would you send me a package?
Yeah, they hear you. I need to mute.
Bro, why is Silas the
This
real
shit is
coach?
so poop.
Everybody make a quick impression.
Dude, database gets leaked and then my account gets flagged as
Bro, why is
fuck.
Silas the real coach?
Alright,
The answer.
let's go to the golden trophy.
Game on!
Whoa, yeah. Yo, it's been so long. I should turn on. Do I even have my grips? Yeah, I don't even like have. Yeah, I don't even like have my. I don't even have like none of my settings like I used to. I was like kind of sucks. Oh my! I got like absolutely none. Yo, I'm gonna be playing this. Bro, where? Oh no, that's my.
Sorry.
I'm way taller than this. Bro, it says I'm 4 feet tall, bro. Yeah, this thing has a problem. Auto spit, right? This crap. Oh, like all the other balls. Crap. As well. Like, they look like. Ugh. I used to speed on this a little bit back in my time. So I haven't played in like 3 months. I haven't. I use both fire strategies. Stay away. Please. Does it still work? Come on. Yeah, that's amazing. No. Wait. Whoa. Can I see something? Ouch. Dang it. Crap. I wanted to see if it worked. Wait, does infinite shooting? Crap. I don't think it works. What you have to do, like, yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Frickin', I like, this was from like the 2020 group. 2020, yeah, this was like 2020.
Went to trick
Say goodbye. Wait, I want to see moment of truth. Does the glitch still work? It does. Ayy. We can actually fucking speedrun. This is amazing. This is the worst setup ever. I'm very rusty at this. I'm freaking. Oh my god. Dude, I am so terrible right now. I think we got one. Hi there. Looks like my grill. Okay, bro.
Oh yeah, grab that shield. Hey, grab that shield so you can protect yourself over here. Look, this over here.
I don't need it.
Go grab the You need it? Okay. Be careful.
I know, I used to like do this by myself. It's just not that hard. What is this crap? Where are they? This is over here. Oh my god! Did they die? Okay, I got one. Oh my! Ow! I'm dead. Okay. Watch out behind you. There's lots of them. Die already. How come you have not died yet? Alright, back to the old strat. Oh, I just killed him. I forgot you can actually like freaking launch him. Ouch! What is this crap? Holy crap. Yo, let me give me. I got him. I'm hurt. Why? African American. He's gone. I'm trying to hit the corner. Not trick shot. Heard it. Is he dead with him yet? Is he almost dead? Okay, da, da, da. Yo, it's been so long, bro. There's a pot up there, I think. Got it. Anyway. This is just amazing. Wait, hold on, don't go left. I can... I'm surprised I even still remember. Wait, don't go. Come down here. Let them all come down here. If we don't go up there, the upper part will not spawn. So wait, don't go! That part will spawn. If we go this way, it won't spawn. So let's just go this way and take out these guys. I got the big guy. Oh, I didn't. Okay. Oh my god.
Oh, sorry.
I think if we don't die anymore, I think we'll get S rank. That's how mathematics work, alright? Well, honestly, I think we might be good because I Oh my. I'm dead. How am I not dead? Free fire. Die already. Yeah, big backs, you can't come up here. You won't do nothing. Tagged. so rough with me. You guys do 360 on him. Yeah, we're cooking right now. 9 minutes. Yikes. That's kind of tough. Oh, I got him with a sword and a shield. Finger. Oh, freaking one. Oh, this thing's so freaking bad. Okay. Straight down. Okay, he's dead. Oh, God, you guys are big. What's up there? Boy? Oh. Thanks. Dead. Dead.
Out!
I'm dead. Let's go.
Where are you?
Right here. Dude, stop camping.
You don't need them. You should be.
Watch out. Hold on, I distract him. Wait a minute. Ow! Oh my god! Take your time. Go the other way. I think they should be on. There you go. Nice. He's dead. Oh my god. Oh my. That's a freaking bomb to my face. Stay back. Fear me. I have a shield. Watch out. Down. Daddy. Oh, where's my sword? Oh my god. I found it. Hold on, he's almost dead. He's not almost, bro.
Oh, why did you go?
Whoops. My god, my finger's so sore.
We tried our
Oh, we
best.
got C rank. Oh, that's... Oh,
You wanna do it again?
probably not. I gotta end my video right now. I'm freaking tired.
Ready to start.
Well, if you guys enjoyed and if you guys want to see a part 2, like and subscribe because I'm gonna pass out. Okay. Bye-bye.